Hi, TVC-Mall here. Right here I'm standing in the reception area of a battery factory called Horega. It specializes in iPhone battery manufacturing since 2007, 15 years of experience. So let's go inside to find out the process with their super cool machines. So let's go. And behind me there's a wall of certificates and test reports. And here are the identification and classification report of air transport of goods and some test reports. So along with us, let's find their sample room. So here are their sample room. Let's see some of their highlight products. And this one is the iPhone battery for iPhone 6s Plus and some other models. This one is for iPhone 12 Pro Max. And here's the real iPhone testing scenario. That is to put the battery into the real iPhone to test like a normal person who is using an iPhone. So let's see. And like this one, this is to test into watching the videos and like testing some other photo taking etc. functions to test the stability and security of the battery. And some is testing of charging function and app watching and recording etc. So now let's go downstairs to find their workmanship, to find all the production lines. And here's the long path, and now we are taking the elevator to go downstairs. It's a little dark here, right? So now let's go. So here arrives the second floor. Thank you. Thank you. And he gives me a visitor card and shoes cover. So you gotta put it on your shoes to protect the environment from the dust. So that's to ensure the workmanship has no dust inside. That's reduce dust. Okay. And put it on. Done. And now I'm heading to the workshop to find all the production. And here is the first step before manufacturing, that is the capacity testing, to test the capacity if they are qualified or not. If they are qualified, it will be taken onto the production line for production. This part is doing their capacity charging. They will charge the battery capacity according to the requirements of their customers. This room is doing the circle life testing to test the lifespan of a battery. Usually they will do a 5,000 circle life testing. And here you can find all kinds of very professional merchants. They are doing all kinds of security tests for batteries. Anti-explosion test machine, high and low temperature testing machine, and pressing machine. And this is the battery short circuit testing machine. Now the temperature reaches the setting 1, so we're gonna open the door to find how it looks inside. Wow, it's some kind of cozy outside inside. So now we move to the production area, and you can find there are many super cool machines behind, as I mentioned before in the very beginning. So let's find the process step by step right now. To begin with, this machine will automatically take out the battery cell and put it onto the conveyor belt, and then it will transfer to the second step to test the inner resistance and voltage one by one, and then transfer to this part. And this is the carding battery tap machine. And sometimes you may find some unqualified items, and this machine will automatically taken out on the conveyor belt, and they will be taken out. And this machine is to stick the isolated screw on the battery one by one. And then here there's trimming. It is the automatic wiring machine. And next, the battery cell will be delivered into this machine to do the CCT test. And also, they will peel off the stickers on the battery downstairs. And then deliver to here to do the protective board banding work. And now they are doing the flexi cable trimming work and install the frame also. And then they are delivered onto this machine. And this machine will automatically wrap the top part of the battery to make it more trimming. This is the manual printing machine. The final step, packaging, and then they will be ready to be on shelf. So that's all for this tour. Don't forget to give us a thumb up if you like our video or subscribe for more. See you. Bye.